Pag masarap daw binabalikan, kaya pala hindi ka binalikan eh. Huy! Hey birdies, we are here at Wang Fu for the second time around pero sa Il Terrazo Mall, Tomas Morato branch naman. And this time, I'm with my family. Nagkikrave daw kasi sila sa Singaporean Chinese restaurant. So ilalayo ko pa ba sila? Syempre dun na ako sa natikman ko na. Syempre yung sinama ko sa orders yung mga nagustuhan ko na agad nung unang beses ko pala natikman. And one of these is the laksa noodles. Very consistent ang lasa ha. Creamy, spicy, and rich in flavor. They use coconut broth here. It tastes like medium spicy ramen pero noodles and spaghetti ang ginagamit nila if I'm not mistaken. We ordered seafood and chicken. I was expecting different flavors but it tastes the same pala. The only difference is their toppings and its price. Next, one of my favorites is this salted egg chicken. Sobrang lasa talaga nito. Kalasa niya yung mga chichirya na salted egg flavor pero in an ulam form. Flavor some buttery taste. If mahilig ka sa salty, you'll love this for sure. And once again, this sakao. Kitang-kita nyo naman, itsura pa lang, very plump and juicy, madulas ang wrap at siksik ang laman. This has prawn inside by the way. If hindi nyo naman hilig ang hipon, they have shark skin dumpling and pork siomai. Very meaty and malasa din. Next naman yung mga food na first time ko lang natikman dito sa Wang Fu, ang kanilang beef broccoli. Their beef is very tender, ang crunchy ng broccoli at sagana rin sa mushrooms. If you want something healthy, okay to. And ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa mga first time ko na try ngayon ay itong kanilang sweet and sour pork with lychee. Very balanced ang lasa niya. I like the crunchiness ng outer part. I was like eating candied fruit ng hulu. Ito parang candied pork ganon dahil sa crunchy texture niya. Meron ding actual lychee fruit and in fairness, sobrang bumagay yung lasa. And na kanilang fried rice na super daming shrimps, di tinipid sa veggies pero hindi maalat. Very bagay sa lahat, it does not overpower yung bawat ulam. All in all, ang sarap talaga ng food here. Di ako nagsisi na ito yung na-recommend kong puntahan namin ngayon for our dinner. Nagustuhan din nila yung food we ordered and ngayon may kanya-kanya na kami favorites.